who is been working with pain, and she is going to be telling us about how she's worked with post-traumatic stress syndrome. So, what I'd like to add to the fact that I've done this master on this subject, on the patient had early childhood developmental trauma, and I've had experience with other people, and Mirta's contribution shows that many people are outside of themselves, other people are within themselves. And so in general, a general working for those people who are a little bit outside of themselves would be doing it a little bit faster than what I'll do it today. And we want to bring the person into their rhythm. And we have beat in music. And if you talk about being intact in the beat, you are being whole. So she wants to have an exercise that you can carry around in your pocket, a so-called pocketbook exercise, one that you've always got with you, and you can use it whenever you need it. So the right foot, and I would ask that you would hold the step aside with the leg and feel the earth, and then back to the center, and then now a small step to the front, and again a step to the side, feeling your weight on the foot, and really feeling the earth below your feet, and then coming back to its original space and feeling the earth below your feet. And then with the left foot, a small step, feeling the earth below your feet. Doesn't have to be big steps. What is important here is that I feel the earth. The right goes forwards, the right comes back, right goes sideways, comes back again, and the left takes a little step forwards, feels the earth. The right goes to the side, you feel the earth, comes back, and the left takes a step forward. In German, she has a little rhyme, a little 3 lines that rhymes. And you can do this in the smallest space that you have. You don't need a large amount of space for this. And now you can do it all backwards. The right goes sideways, feels the earth, comes back home, feels the earth. The left takes a step forwards, backwards, feels the earth. The right goes outwards, feels the earth, comes back home, feels the earth. The left goes straight backwards, feels the earth. The right goes outwards, feels the earth, comes home again, feels the earth. And the left goes backwards, straight back, feels the earth. The right goes outwards, comes back home, and a little break. And what is most important is that I feel the earth beneath my feet. And if it's possible, look forwards. Don't look down to your feet. Am I doing it right? but standing upwards, looking forwards, looking into the distance, and I feel down into the earth. I feel down into the earth, and there also I feel down into the earth. And I don't look, I feel as well as I can. And the whole surface of the foot is on the floor, so that it's fully in contact with the floor. And then feeling the weight on both feet. And this exercise, which I feel that most people give them a feeling of security and safety in their bodies. And for those who are very out of themselves and are a bit too fast, you could say, it's just as Myrtha was saying, you just do it faster with them. And you can do this. And then take time after the exercise to feel, how am I doing now? What do I feel? And I would like to thank this possibility to show you this. And if there are any questions, you can put them into the chat. So I have a question. Did I understand? The left foot goes forward and the right one goes to the side. The right goes to the side. And you say, why does the right one always go to the side? It's not fair. The left doesn't have a chance. And my explanation, we are very symmetrical, but inside our organs are very asymmetrical. This isn't an answer why to the right. This asymmetry, for instance, with the lungs, is such that the right-hand side has 3 lobes and the left lung has 2 lobes. And so this activity that is in the differentiation to right is gentle, and the simple step of going forwards is done with the left foot. But the one going to the sideways is doing a differentiated step. And the right side is more major and the left is more minor. And this major reaches outwards and the minor comes towards me. And this is one of the most simple exercises to experience this.